How to find removed friends on Snapchat. If any day you would like to find the various kind of removed friends that you removed from your Snapchat, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find the Snapchat application on your mobile device, and after you find it, you have to tap on Snapchat like this. Now, after you tap on Snapchat like this, Snapchat will be launched on your very mobile device. Now, you have to go to the profile like icon on the top, and after you go to the profile like icon on the top, you have to go to the option of the settings. Now you have to just scroll down, and after you go to scroll downing, and after that you have to go to the option of my data. After you tap on the option of my data, now you can see that this very interface like this will be loaded. Sometimes the loading may be little less, that may be the problem of your internet connection out there. So if you have a stable internet connection which is fast, it will be faster. Now after that you can see an interface like this. Now here you have to just enable include your memories, chat, media and the shared stories. After that, when you see the option like this, you have to go to the option of next, and after you see the option of next, now you have to tap on the various date that you want here. You have to tap on the very list of the date here. You can just increase it or decrease it like this. You have to set the date. For example, I set it April 1 to 20. Otherwise, you can just go back. You can set it to the next option here. For example, March 1 to March 31 or March 1 to the present like this. And after that, you have to confirm your email address here, and you have to go to the option of the submit. Now what happens is the very data to include is also selected. You have also chosen your data range, email address and all. Now the very export progress will be done. You can open it in Snapchat like this, and then you can go to your email address there. When you open your email address, you can see the various kind of list that the very Snapchat has sent. Now you have to download it, and after you download it on your mobile phone, you can see all of the data of the removed friends in your Snapchat as well. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.